Hi, I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm going to help you justify your basic bishness from a nutritional perspective. Yep, I'm talking about this, my friends. It is pumpkin season. And I'm tired of people being made fun of for their love of pumpkin, because I have been obsessed with pumpkin since the day I was hatched. I'll tell you all the health benefits from eating pumpkin and why you should be eating loads of it, and you can rub it in everybody's face when they call you a basic bish next time. So let's start with the flesh, because you can eat the seeds too. Pumpkin flesh is super high in fiber, with 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree delivering 4 grams. And the specific type of fiber in pumpkins is known to feed the good critters in your gut, as well as help control blood sugar, reduce the need for insulin, and increase glucose sensitivity. Pumpkin flesh has a specific compound in it that blocks enzymes that break down complex carbohydrates in your meal. This causes you to absorb less glucose from your meal. Pumpkin is extremely high in an antioxidant called beta-carotene. It's what gives it its beautiful orange hue. Diets high in beta-carotene have been linked to reduced risk of various cancers. Beta-carotene can also be converted to vitamin A in your body, which is important for healthy skin, eyes, bones, and mucous membranes. And speaking of healthy skin, it's also super high in vitamin C, which is also required to make collagen. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping your skin looking supple and youthful. For all my vegan and vegetarian friends out there, vitamin C, when eaten with a meal that has plant-based iron in it, helps you absorb the iron better. All that sounds amazing and not basic at all, right? Now let's get to the seeds. You've probably seen them in 2 different forms: straight out of the pumpkin, still in their shell, or shelled and looking kind of green. They can also be called pepitas. These guys are little nutrition powerhouses, and let me tell you what, if you have a prostate, you want to eat these bad boys. Pumpkin seed extract and pumpkin seeds have been observed in clinical studies to reduce symptoms and improve quality of life in people who suffered from benign prostate hyperplasia. What is the magical compound in these seeds? Berberine. Berberine in itself needs a totally different video. There's a lot of research on it. But in pumpkin seeds specifically, it's believed to be the compound responsible for the antimicrobial nature of these seeds. In some cultures, they use ground up pumpkin seeds to treat parasites, bacteria, fungus, you name it. Always check with your doctor. We don't need a new TikTok trend going on. They're high in antioxidants, fatty acids, and phytosterols, which are all linked to reduced inflammation. They're high in tryptophan, which is the precursor for making serotonin in your body. And they're super high in magnesium. Watch my other videos for recipe ideas.